So hey guys, this is Mias, and in this video we are going to solve the day 13 abstract class problem here that is going to be present on the 30 days of code on HackerRank website. Okay, so in this problem we are going to deal with the abstract classes. Okay, so what is the abstract class? Is going to be the class that has an abstract method here. Okay, and what is going to be the abstract method here? Okay, so a method is going to be abstract if there is nothing in the body part of the function here. Okay, so in this problem we have given a task here that we have given a book class here, and we need to define a we have also a solution class here, and we need to define write my book class here that does the following here. Okay, so we need to inherit the book class into this my book class. Okay, and we need to take a constructor here. We need to define a constructor here that is taking these three parameters here. First is going to be the integer string, and second is going to be also the string, and third is going to be the integer variable. Okay, and then what we need to do is we need to create an abstract display method. Okay, we have implement the book class's abstract display method. Okay, and what we need to do is we need to print these three variables into this display function here. Okay, so this is just a simple problem, but before we are going to do this, we have the sample input here. We have these three input here, and we just need to print about these three variables, and that is going to be given by the user. Okay, and one most important thing before we can do this, and this code is provided by the problem setter. Okay, already provided by the problem setter. So in this class here we can see that this is an abstract method here, and that this display method is an abstract method. Why? Because it does not have any body part here. Okay, so we are not defining here in this display function here, or we are not just printing anything here in this display method. So this is a abstract method here. Okay, and in the Python we need to define just like this for the abstract method. Okay, so if you are using any other programming language, then you can just search on the Google for how you can define abstract method in the C++ or in the Java or in any other programming language, whatever you are using. Okay, so here we need to define a write a my book class here. Okay, so let's minimize this code here. So in this class we have defined a class my book, and we are inheriting this my book class from the book class. Okay, and then we have defined or initialized a constructor here that is taking these three variables here. Okay, and parameters here, and then we have defined these three variables with these parameters here. Okay, and I have already explained you in the previous problem, in the inheritance problem, that these are the variables for the class and these are the variables for the global purpose. Okay, and in this display function we have defined this display function here, and we are just printing all these three variables with the title, author, and price string. Okay, so this is just a simple problem. We are just not doing anything fancy here. We are just printing these three lines of here, and we are just initializing a constructor here for initializing these three variables. Okay, or these three parameters. Okay, so now we are going to run this code, and I hope you can. I have already solved this problem. So sample test case is passed, and now we are going to submit the code. Okay, so that's it. This is a simple problem, and before you can solve this problem, please take a look on what is the abstract class and what is the abstract method in the OOPS concept. Okay, and that's it. That's it for this video. If you are new here, then please subscribe to the channel, because I am going to upload more videos on data structure and algorithm, and that will help you to learn about the competitive programming as well, and give you the ability to crack any coding interview as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. We'll be meeting you very soon with another problem and another solution as well. Okay, so bye bye and see you again.